Today we are at the Melbourne Home Show held at the Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Centre here in South Wharf. Here you can discover endless possibilities for your dream home at Australia's longest running home improvement expo. You can meet with the expert exhibitors in the field of home improvement and construction to gain valuable advice and insights. You can explore the beautifully designed exhibits tailored to enhance your home and your lifestyle. So, whether you want to build your dream home or do some changes or to upgrade, you're open to many possibilities at the home show. Let's go in. Today, I have an amazing person to chat with at the home show. I am privileged to chat with Mrs. Sumudu Gunawardena. I know Sumudu for some time, but today I meet her as an Australian entrepreneur in the field of home improvement and construction. Sumudu and her husband are the owners of All Roofs and Exteriors, a company specializing in home improvement services. Welcome to the chat today as my guest, Sumudu.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
You are an Australian business entrepreneur. So please tell us about your business. How did you start it? What do you specialize in?
First of all, welcome to our stall. We are at the Melbourne Home Show 2026. Our specialties are all exterior services. We provide a lot of services from the roof to the bottom. We take care of all around your property. We started this about 7-8 years ago, just as a roof restoration company based in Melbourne, just based mainly at western suburbs. Then we expanded our services right throughout Victoria. So at this stage, we are covering all over Victoria up to the New South Wales borders.
Amazing. Your story tells me you have challenges every day. So how do you manage? Please tell us uh, how your everyday is like.
Yeah, because it's the exterior service, most challenges are weather related for us because it's all depending on the weather,
Yes.
how long a project can run up to. Sometimes it varies from a couple of weeks to a few months. So weather challenges are a biggest issue that we face every day. Other than that, obviously with every other business we have market challenges, and obviously expanding the business you have the competitors, so just the price challenges as well. So it's just how to navigate through this is bit of a challenge, but we've been successful so far, so I hope we can continue the same in future.
Amazing. So the challenges and setbacks, tell me, it is not just like a 9 to 5 job. Isn't it a full-time commitment?
Yes, exactly. Being a small business, it's obviously a full-time commitment. We are not a 9 to 5 business, so the calls will come right throughout the day, whether it's a public holiday, weekend, doesn't matter. So we just need to prioritize what needs to be done first. And as a business, obviously, we have to look after our clients, not just the current clients. Some of them are past clients as well. So anyone who comes to us had a service done in the last few years, we are happy to look after. So it's just time management and taking care of the urgent matters is the biggest concern. So we are navigating through quite easily.
Your story will inspire many people who will like to start a business. What's your message to them?
Yeah, it's just first to do some background work and find out what's best for you, what's
Yeah.
whether there's a demand for the whatever the service or the product that you are planning to have in the market. So if it's a service, obviously you need to check your competitors whether you can make a profit, whether it's something that's viable or not. So viability checks are most important thing, and then resilience, whether there's uncertain things in economy that's happening, how much resistant you are to carry on with the business is also very important. So rather than just starting up a business, I think you just need to do all your checks and balances before you embark in any new business.
That's very great. And how would you see yourself and your business, say, in 5 years' time from now?
Yeah, our plan is to expand to the other states. We've already
Yeah.
started Canberra and New South Wales. So it's just to expand to other states as well as engage in few other services other than this. We are planning to go more sort of interior designing, interior decorating side as well. So that's
Yes.
our plan in the near future.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us today,
Thank
Sumudu.
you.
I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, and wish that your business will be one of the top businesses in Australia.
Thank you. Thanks for having us. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing.
So this is the cafeteria. It's so crowded today because it's Sunday. So everyone could have a snack and a drink.